heard what Tesla said about the universe and about life? To understand, all you have to do is think in terms of frequency and vibration. It really does make sense. Think about it. Dr. Joe Dispenza talks about all of us and everything having both wave and particle properties, and it's absolutely true. Everything does follow the rules of quantum theory. Everything you ever wanted, every possible outcome, both good and bad, both desirable and undesirable, exists in a wave of possibility. All possibility exists in a wave function. Now, when you're living your life and doing your thing and being in the moment, going with the flow, you are able to observe any possible outcome because you're using your mind to observe it. You choose it. But then when you start looking in reality for that outcome, you start looking for that money, you start noticing the lack, you start paying attention to the boyfriend or girlfriend that you don't have, you start seeing what you have currently, that wave of possibility collapses down to one outcome, which is lack, or which is whatever is existing right now. That, my friends, is why you have to trust the universe. Your job is not to look for things. Your job is to receive them. Your job is to be ready to accept. When you're waiting for a package from Amazon, and you know we all are waiting for a package from Amazon, you don't sit at the window staring out. When you put toast in the toaster, you don't sit in front of the toaster and wait for it to come out. When you buy a lottery ticket, you don't, hold the lottery ticket and just stare at it until the day of the draw. You have to have faith that things will happen the way they're supposed to happen, the universe is unfolding in the way it's supposed to, and that your destiny will meet you. Now you start looking and looking, you are collapsing your wave of possibilities. You're doing this to yourself. When you look for the number of subscribers you have, you've collapsed that wave of possibility. When you're looking to see if anybody, maybe emailed you about something, you'll know if they do. Your notifications are on. You don't need to check for it. That checking, every time you check, just think of your wave of possibility as getting smaller and smaller. Keep your vibe high, keep your frequency high, and keep that wave of possibility high, okay? All of those possibilities are out there. Stop checking, stop looking, and stop. Instead of saying stop, I'm telling you to start living in the now. Enjoy your life, go moment to moment, really engross yourself in your moments, okay? Talking about living in this 5D reality, you've ascended to the higher reality. You're very aware now, aren't you, of the 3D reality? You're aware of the fact that all of our senses are provided to us on a physical level just for the sake of having this human life, for pleasure, to perceive pain if you need to. All of these things are available to us in the 3D world, but the awareness of being ascended into 5D, in a sense, has collapsed. It's collapsed your wave of possibility. Don't let it. That knowledge that you have being in 4D and 5D, use it to your benefit. Don't let it make you the unhappy Socrates. You can still be the happy fool in the moment. You can do it, okay? Do not let your new awareness be your downfall. Do you know how much I love you guys? Do you know? It's a lot. A lot. I love all the comments. I love your feedback. I love your support. No, I don't have 1,000 subscribers, but do you know why I don't? Because I collapsed my wave of possibility and probability, and that outcome of having 1,000 isn't going to come to me until I stop looking for it. Do you see what I'm saying? Do you see what I'm doing there? Think about what you're doing in your life that may be collapsing your wave function. Now, be in the moment and watch your wave function expand. I love you guys. Have a great day. Hey, be positive.